Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, you have to open the Chrome browser or any other browser or whatever you like, and after that you have to log in into Skrill account. So once you have entered here, let's log in into the account, and after that you have to click on withdraw money, and there simply link your bank account or your PayPal account by going in withdraw and click on add money wallet, and simply put your email address and password of your PayPal account, so it will connect to you with the Skrill account, and after that you will easily transfer your money from Skrill to PayPal. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.